Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to create quotes images for Instagram. First of all, you just need to download the Canva app from the Play Store. Simply go in the Play Store, search for Canva, and open that app. Simply you can search the Instagram post, or you just need to like whatever you want. Or you can simply search the code, or you can select the image here which already existing here. Alright, let's suppose I want to just looking for a code. Search for that and simply select any code. Just taking some few seconds. Alright, here you can see the option to add your image. Here you can see there is the option of to add your image. You can simply add the image and just add this code on your image, then go back on Instagram and simply post that. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.